columns is one of the phenomenal features in Excel. This function is proved useful when you want to freeze a row or column containing the heading so that they are visible throughout the data even when you scroll down the sheet. So hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to learn how to freeze rows and columns in Excel. So let's get started. The dataset presented here has various columns with different headers. I want to freeze the first row because when I scroll down the data, the information to me is not clear. So I wish to freeze the top row. And how would I do that? Is go to the View tab in the ribbon, click on the Freeze Panes option. In the Freeze Panes options, you have three options: the Freeze Panes, the Freeze Top Row, and the Freeze First Column. So Freeze Top Row will freeze only the top row of the sheet, and Freeze First Column would only freeze the first column in the sheet. So when I click on the Freeze Top Row and scroll down, you can see the first row is freezed and I am able to scroll through the entire data without any confusion. Similarly, if you want to see the company name and scroll through your data, so what you can do is simply go to the Freeze Panes option and click on Freeze First Column. Now when you scroll across the data, the first column is fixed and you are able to scroll across other columns. But note that this option will allow you to freeze only the first row in the entire sheet and only the first column in the entire sheet. What if you want to freeze the first 5 rows or first 2 columns? How would you do that? So before stepping one step further, let us first understand how would you unfreeze what you have already frozen. So to unfreeze the row or column that you have frozen, go to the Freeze Panes and the first option would appear as Unfreeze Panes. You can simply click on this and that would unfreeze your data. So when I scroll down, again my headers are not fixed. Now let us get a step deeper and understand what if we want to freeze the first 5 rows or if we want to freeze the first 2 or 3 columns. How would we do that? So the next option that Excel provides us is the Freeze Panes option. So when you want to freeze multiple rows or columns, let's say along with the company name, you also want to freeze the script code and you also want to freeze the first 5 rows, that is you want to see the first 4 companies that are really important to you. So to do that, select any cell in the row right below the last row you want to freeze. So if I want to see the first 5 rows, I need to select the next immediate row and that would indicate that the row above this cell would get frozen. Similarly, if you want to freeze the first 2 columns, then you need to select a cell that is after those 2 columns. So let's say I want to freeze these 2 columns, so I must be selecting a cell that is after these 2 columns. So since I want to freeze the first 5 rows, I have selected the 6th row, and since I want to freeze the first 2 columns, I have selected the next column, that is the C column. So when I click on this cell and go to the Freeze Panes option, and click on Freeze Panes, you will notice when I scroll across, the first 2 columns are frozen and when I scroll down, the first 5 rows are frozen. So by this method, you can freeze multiple rows and columns. So this is about how to freeze rows and columns in Excel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.